Python quiz. Just 10 seconds per question. What will be printed? Ready for the next question. Which of these is not a high-level language? Ready for the next question. What is 5% 2? Ready for the next question. Which operator checks object identity? Ready for the next question. Which creates infinite loop? Ready for the next question. Which operator means logical AND? Ready for the next question. Index of first element. Ready for the next question. Which avoids name conflict? Ready for the next question. Tuples, use. Ready for the next question. What does hello.upper return? Ready for the next question. How many times does for I in range 1, 4 run? Ready for the next question. What does len high return? Ready for the next question. What does this symbol do? Ready for the next question. Which adds element to a list? Ready for the next question. Which keyword creates a variable? Ready for the next question. Which keyword creates an anonymous function? Ready for the next question. Which is a valid variable name? Ready for the next question. Which accesses value? Ready for the next question. Which gives the last element? Ready for the next question. Which block always executes? Ready for the next question. Which keyword skips iteration? Ready for the next question. What does pop do? Ready for the next question. Which keyword defines function? Ready for the next question. What does pass do?